Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I'm back with another video. Now today is Yeezy 350 Black Static, non-reflective, whatever they're calling it, release day. But as you can see, my ass is still sitting at the house. I told y'all in yesterday's video, towards the end, that I doubled up, which I did. Wasn't a lie. JD Sports, my first time ever putting in a raffle ticket. Gave your boy the call. Gave me the call. So I hit on, y'all watch the live cop, I hit on Foot Locker, size 11. Hit on JD Sports, in-store raffle, size 11. So I get off work early in the morning. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna set my alarm. I gotta take a little nap. Ain't no reason for me to stay up. I need to catch a couple Z's. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. Pickup was at noon. Your boy done missed out on his pickup. There will be no double up.
Are you dumb?
Through JD Sports. But there is one consolation.
Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished?
I got through. Somehow, I navigated it through and past and around and over and under the bots. Early this morning, after I got off, I'll put the confirmation on the screen somewhere so you can see it. Your boy got through on East Bay. I haven't ordered anything from East Bay since I was a kid. I think the last thing I ordered from East Bay was probably a pair of Jason Kidds as a child, when I used to get the magazines. But your boy got through, so I do have another size coming. So it would have been a triple up. Not trying to make anybody upset that didn't hit, because there was a lot of L's. Even people that I know personally caught a lot of L's. But it is what it is. Like, I tried and I got through. You know, I just got lucky. But your boy slept through release time. Now I have time. I still have time to go pick up my personal pair from Foot Locker, which I'm on my way to do now. You guys are going to roll with me, hopefully. And I'm going to pick up, I told y'all yesterday, I wasn't going to reveal his name. I want y'all to go subscribe to my man's channel. Shoes Up, Sleeves Down. He hit here in Columbus, just like I did for Jumper Man Chris. It's no problem, man. If somebody hit in Columbus, I'll pick up your pair for you. I don't charge you nothing for it or anything like that. You pay for it, whatever. It's your sneaker, man. I'm in the city already. I'm out and about already. I got you. So go subscribe to my man's channel. I'm going to put the link to hit in the description down below. Please go hit him up, man. Really, really good dude. Really, really good content. And I'm going to get those out to you today. But yeah, so let's get to the mall, man. Instead of 3 places to stop all over the city, I got 2. So we're going to pick up 2 pair, but we got a 3rd pair coming. Alright, y'all. I'm right back over here like I never left, man. Right back to Tuttle. Oh, somebody just got in an accident. Damn. Well, that sucks. But I'm right back over here, man. I'm gonna pick up my man's pair first. His 9.5. Tuttle is the closest mall to me as far as this release. So I'm gonna pick up your pair first. Go in here to Foot Locker, knock this out. I'll show the sneaker and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna do a bunch of handling his shoe because it's not mine. But I am picking up my personal pair. When I pick up my personal pair, we'll get back to the house and do a review on that. I was wondering if people will be lined up already. I ain't mad at them. It's 4 hours early, but you gotta get it how you gotta get it. Alright, you see I was in and out like a robbery. Figured I'd give y'all a quick glimpse at least at these. Size 9.5. Slide that out. And there y'all go. There they are. Like I said, I'm not gonna do too much messing around with them because this is not my pair, but my guy. They'll be on the way in a few minutes. Fire. All right, y'all, so I done got everything out of the way. I done got his sneakers shipped off. Now we're in Easton Town Center about to pick up my personal pair. I can relax, kick back. Obviously, I'm stressed about missing out on the first pair, but come up here and get my personal pair and take y'all back to the house and get a little review in. It should be quick because the sneakers are simple, but that's cool too. So let's get in the Foot Locker, pick up this leather. All right, y'all, so we done made it back to the house. The day started off rough, man. Started off rough with missing out on my own personal size in that extra size 11. And I feel bad about it because that size 11 was going to somebody that I know personally. But it's just kind of how it goes. Sometimes you gotta take the good with the bad in this game, and me oversleeping hurt, but the good part of it is that I still hit on a size 9 on East Bay, luckily. So I'm still gonna be able to do something with that down the road. But as far as missing out on my own personal pair, that's kind of just what happened. But I still got my Foot Locker pair. So anyway, with all of that being said, I was able to get my 9.5 off to my guy. I was able to get my own personal pair, and I was able to. I'm waiting on my size 9.5, my size 9 coming in from East Bay. But you already know all of that stuff. So let's get into the review, and it's gonna be really quick. I looked at them a little bit, because I wanted to make sure it's something that I wanted and I liked. So I've told you guys in the past that these were a must for me. These were a must cop, and I was thankful that they brought these back. And as y'all can see, that I have laced my zebras. I have not worn these yet. I plan on wearing these this summer sometime. These will be undiesed. And I may or may not do the same thing with these. Now these are obviously very reminiscent of, got this helicopter flying overhead, but these are obviously very reminiscent of the Pirate Blacks, which I said in an earlier video was the first sneaker, the first 350 that Yeezy did, or Kanye West did with Adidas, was the Pirate Black, and that's something that I wanted. I'm very, very heavy into simplicity when it comes to a lot of my stuff, because this pops. Like, this isn't something that's needs a whole bunch of attention. It doesn't bring a whole bunch of attention, but if you know, you know type situation. So it's very simple, but I think that's what helps this sneaker. Just this, the major hit of color is right back here, these red dots on the back, and that's enough. Now what I did want to talk about is, after you get them in hand, if you haven't got them in hand, a lot of people took L's today. These sneakers aren't necessarily black. This outsole or midsole and outsole is black, but this upper, this prime knit upper, is like a charcoal gray, like a real dark charcoal gray. It's not black. This ankle collar is black. This midsole is black. This pull tab back here is black. This is a mixture of black. It almost looks purple, which I'm fine with, but this is not in a solid black sneaker at all. It's not. But these are going to, the numbers on these are going to go crazy. For those, I know the resellers was out crazy for these, because these are going to do numbers. These are going to do numbers in the future. They're doing numbers now on release day, and they're going to do numbers in the future. It's one of those that if you hold on to these are going to go crazy on the resale market down the road if you never unds your pair. I plan on wearing my pair. I went through a lot to get this. I'm thankful that I was able to hit twice, Because if I had only hit a JD Sports, I'd be assed out right now because I overslept. But thankfully, Foot Locker, the plug, came through and blessed your boy with a second chance. So now, I'm pretty much done. Man. That's all I wanted, man. Like I said, the hype beast in me wants some wave runners, but I can't pay more than retail for them, man. They're already wild expensive. $300 for a sneaker is crazy. So if anybody know anybody with a size 11 wave runner for retail, I'm your guy. But yeah, I don't know if y'all need me to do a review on this. I mean, you got the Adidas Yeezy and the insole. You got your 2 hang tags. Make sure if you're buying off somebody that they have all of this stuff. I don't know if there's anything special. You got the 3M laces. I don't know. I don't know how to. Oh, and they do on the inside. They do have the QR code on the inside on the size tag as well. That's one. I don't know if that's one way. I got some glue stains up here on mine a little bit. But anyway, you got your Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Pirate Blacks. I mean Pirate Black Statics, whatever they are. But these are fire, man. They simple and they fire. I'm out of y'all's face. OV.